Take a ride in the 2008 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front suspension type, multi-link front suspension classification, solid live axle, Inside you'll find child safety locks, tachometer, child seat anchors, power steering, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.